Hello. This is my skateboard, and about 1 to 2 years ago, I made it electric. Today we're going to be upgrading my skateboard because it kind of really sucks, and it also has a lot of problems that I need to fix. One of said problems is the wheel. If we look at the back, you can see there are 5 holes, and that should mean there are 5 screws in it, right? 5 holes, 5 screws. We flip it over, we take a look, and oh hey, there's only 2 screws actually screwed in. Why is it like that? Because I'm dumb. The gear has 5 holes, the wheel has 6 holes. I bought the wrong type of gear for my wheel. It also causes another problem where the gear isn't leveled because there's only 2 screws. And this also causes another problem. Wow. It digs into the motor mount and like carves into the aluminum. It's also not very efficient for energy transfer, so yeah. Speaking of energy, our motor doesn't generate a whole lot of energy because it's kind of small and weak and frail. It is a 50-55 or 50-65 motor, I don't know. Project was on a budget at the time, so I kind of just bought the cheapest motor I could off eBay. Next, we're going to take off the Velcro strap so I can take off the wooden housing that I built in tech design class, and then we can take a look at the electronics inside and show you how bad they are. This is the battery, 36 volts, 10S, 2P, advertised as 10 amps, definitely not 10 amps. Bought it off AliExpress, and the problem with it is that it no longer fully charges. It doesn't charge above 75% anymore, so kind of dead, can't really use it anymore. Definitely going to be replacing it. And this is the ESC, the electronic speed controller. It's probably the only thing we're not going to be replacing here, honestly, along with all of its other components like the remote and stuff. This thing works perfectly fine, haven't had any problems with it, and so I'm just going to keep using it, you know? Alright, so to upgrade our motor, we got this Flip Sky motor. It should be 6384 Irma Good. Look at that. Big, strong motor to replace our weak little guy. And to attach it to our skateboard, we got this Van Pro kit. And this one should fit our wheel. Hopefully it has 6 holes, so a little hopeful there. Alright, so we got our 6384 out of the box, and this thing is huge. We're going to do a size comparison with our 5055 or 5065, I don't know. And look at this. The 6384 is just so much bigger, wow. Alright, so now we are going to take out our motor mount kit and check if the wheel, you know, fits with our gear, our new gear. This took me like an hour to actually get all the screws in, but yeah, it fits perfectly fine, and moving on from that now. Next we have our motor mount over here, and I'm gonna quickly go over some problems with our previous motor mount. Alright, so with our previous motor mount, it was too close to the ground, causing it to like chip against the floor, and it also chipped into the board, carving like a small little channel in the paint, which is a big no-no, not good for the board. Alright, so to fix this, we're gonna take our motor mount and stick it the other way, because yeah, it'll be higher off the ground, and also there's no board for it to dig into. Alright, now we're gonna do a dry fit, just put stuff together, see if it fits. Alright, now that we know that it fits, we could use Loctite or Thread Locker or Blue Lock, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. What it is it's basically just glue for screws. You put it on the screws, you screw the screws in, and then they don't come out from like vibrations and stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, also apparently this stuff's like really toxic and you're not supposed to get it on your skin or something. Yeah, that's probably fine. That's probably also fine, right? Next we've got our battery upgrade here. We're going to be replacing our old lithium-ion Chinese battery from AliExpress with these 2 LiPo batteries. They are both 5S 5200 milliamp per hour batteries. Yeah. LiPo batteries are way more volatile than lithium-ion batteries, so there might be a chance that these just like explode and kill me. Anyways, like I said, these are both 5S batteries, and our previous battery was a 10S battery, so we're going to be wiring these up in series to get that to 10S. And to get our batteries in series, we need to make a thingy to let them wire up in series. To make the thingy, we're going to be using this fuse, these wires, and these 4mm bullet connectors. We're using a fuse because I don't want to like have my skateboard catch on fire while I'm riding it. Now we need to check if it works or if I mess something up. Alright, now that we know the battery works, we're gonna plug in the motor to see if that works. So the remote divides the power into like 4 different sections. And on the 4th one, there's a little glitch where it kind of like does a little stump and then it won't go after that. 1, 2, and 3 work perfectly fine though. I stuck the wires of the motor through the hole that I made for the battery indicator because it was kind of too big for the last hole. Alright, now all we have to do is put the box on it and then we can go test it. So yeah, that's the end of the video. You might be wondering why I built this thing, because I don't have friends to visit. I built this thing so I could play Pokemon Go. Yeah, well that's the video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe to see more, and if you want to support the channel, support my dumb little stupid projects, check out the Patreon. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.